Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to generate AI portraits for free online. Now this is very simple, guys. Now for this, you will need to go to Canva. Canva has already a free online AI portrait generator, which you can go in which you can start generating AI portraits. All you have to do is sign up to Canva and go to generate AI portraits here. As you can see, this will load up another Canva design right here. We can use an existing design or a new design. As you can see, we can go and use a custom size here, let's say 1080 by 1080. You can create new design here. And as you can see, obviously, we can go here and enter what we want. So we want portrait of a man in suit. For example, we can generate the image. Obviously, we have one credit out of 49, but this is basically how you would be able to go and generate AR portraits for free in Canva, right? So as you can see, we are waiting for it. And as you can see, we have one AI portrait already generated here. So I think we can click on it. Yes. And this is, as you can see, one AI portrait that we generated right here. So as you can see, it doesn't look really good in the eyes, but if you generate more, you will be able to find the best fit for you. So obviously, this is how you can generate AI portraits for free with Canva. There are other ways how to do it. As you can see, we have another, this is a little bit blurry, but yeah, it looks right now really good. But as you can see, obviously, there are other tools out there, I'm sure, but this is how to generate AI portraits for free with Canva. So if you have any questions or comments, comment down below. Also comment down below if you know any other tools for generating free AI portraits as well. Thank you guys for watching.